Hello students, this is Jagdeep Singh, teacher of Guru Hargobind Public High School, Fatehgarh. So today we are going to discuss paragraph writing. This lecture for the 10th PSCB class. So here are some essays, or we can say paragraphs. An Indian festival, तुझने एक means Indian festival कोई बैसाखी ले लेना है या फिर दिवाली ले लेना है या लोहड़ी, any festival on which you want to write, just write anything. You can even write on any incidents, like any incident which happened in your life at a festival. You just have to write that incident. Just before that, you just have to illustrate the whole festival, like you have to write about the festival, then you can also mention the incident. So this is the first Indian festival, like here they mentioned the Diwali. So just there in the exam, outline will be given, so you just have to you can take help from the outline and write the paragraph. So what is the next one? Good manners. This is the pretty easy, like here are so good manners, an outline given. And what is the next? Leisure, like how you spend your spare time, that's the leisure. And what are the consequences of the leisure, what are the merits of the leisure, what are the demerits, pros and cons, that kind of thing. And the motherland means at which land you are living, in which country you are living, in which state you are living. You can write anything about your motherland. So you can, there's no need to write only pros of your motherland. You can also write about the cons of your motherland, like demerits. So it's not necessary to tell about only the traits of your motherland. You can tell about the demerits. So limitations, you can tell about your motherland. So these are the 4 paragraphs, and any paragraph out of this four will ask in your exam. So before that we had discussed letters, 5 letters, 2 formal and 3 informal. And before that there here is the pair of words generally confused. I think at least 1 or 2 pair of words will ask in the exam. And before that prepositions and determiners, that's the grammar. And before that 5 chapters, and 5 short questions will ask. And after that 3 questions will ask, and you can write out of 3 only 2 questions. And after that 2 questions will ask, and you have to write only 1 question. And after that there will be grammar, do as directed, then 1 letter, 1 paragraph. So that's the format of your exam or your paper. So I will send the whole PDF, the whole syllabus PDF in your Telegram group. So you just have to prepare for your exam. So thank you very much.